how to get the headlights out of a Corsa 2008. This one, it's a Corsa D. Let's get the headlights out because these are horrible. I'm fitting the shiny ones over there. Anyway, 8mm ratchet, Temu set, brilliant. Tells you what it is, ratchet. So I've got an 8mm here and I have an 8mm here. So I've taken those bolts out and I've also taken these out too with my trusty ratchet. So that loosens off this bit. Take this bolt out of the light, the bolt in there, sneaky, out of the light. It's a lovely little hole, saves you having to do it. And now I need to take the bumper off because there's another bolt here that holds the headlight in. So you have got one bolt there and one bolt at the bottom on either side, and then there's 5 underneath. You just take those out and prise the bumper away. Then you should be able to pry this away there, like that, from the body, one side and the other. Yeah, that needed 2 hands. Then the magical bit was to leave this bolt in, just to hold it there. When you pull those last bits out, you can pull the whole thing off in one. So this should essentially now, oh, look at that. It's only gone and done it. There's no bumper on it now. Okay, this is new to me. I've never done it before. Now I'm freaking out. And there is your sneaky last bolt. The 3 bolts for the headlight. Up here, down there, and then this horrible sneaky little one. Get that off, headlight out, done. And I've taken that bolt out, and now the headlamp should just come out of the car. There it is, it's out. Now I've just got to take the plugs out down here and prise it away. Now there's a plug on there, this plug here, right, and that is in like that when it's in, so you can't get it out. I've just been struggling trying to get this out, but what it is you put a screwdriver into there and push this little bit out like that. Keep going until it clicks. Once it clicks, the plug comes straight off. Happy days. And then one yellowed horrible light to be replaced. That is yellow and horrible and being replaced with the nice shiny one. Okay. All you do, repeat it on the other side, and it's job done. Apart from getting the bumper back on, which is going to be fun. And that is how it's done. Reversal. Bumper on, bolts in, sorted. Back together again. Glad to be of assistance. Now I've got to do it.